the only way is to skeletonize this. I would
Look at that!
No. We are adding 50 meters more. I'm positive that's the wrong chain. No. The difference 10-foot make. In our boat, we can't even fit a mini washing machine. Andy, in his 56, he has a real washing machine on the bow, like no problem. I think the only way is to skeletonize this, remove the cover and install it without the cover. I think it's the only way we can fit it in there, but I don't know. I don't even know if the things will work after all this. There's a good opportunity. I'm doing all of this for nothing. After all, it's a Chinese aftermarket. So I don't even know if this is gonna work. Which will be the perfect ending for it.
You okay?
To install the washing machine, which all of the measurements that I took at the beginning were right, but the angle inside the bathroom cabin when I'm trying to, wait, let me show you. Here, it didn't fit. So I had to cut the this wall here. It was a plastic wall, it's just a separation. And I cut it, and that now it's okay, now it fits. So it sits there nice. The only problem that I have now is that I need to find a way to push. I have the first rod already there and it's okay. Now I need to push the second one, but I can't find it. So we're gonna fix this somehow. Have no idea how, but we're gonna get it done. So it's fit. The problem is I cannot move it this way because the hole through the wall will be on here. You see? That will be a problem. So maybe I can move all the way here, like 2 fingers here, redo the holes, cover the old ones, and do it that way.
How you managed to cover the old one?
No, that's
Look at that.
Nah, just a wood.
Look at that.
No. It's just I can use a wood tab and then gel coat on this side. Now covering the wood is not a problem, but I think it's a better fit. Definitely a better fit to do it that way. I will move everything three fingers, you know, scientific measure. 3 fingers to the right, then I will close all the holes again, and we will finally have this installed. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Vai, spingi un po', piano. Ok. Vai, tutto dentro. Vai. Perfetto.
Finally, no more laundry 24 hours.
Yeah. You can now do one underwear at a time. But yeah. I understand the feeling.
It's better than nothing.
Better than nothing.
Okay, guys, the washing machine is installed, and I can't wait to test it. It's true that it has not a lot of capacity in terms of space inside, but for now I think it will be okay, more than okay. I'm gonna show you. This is the inside of the washing machine. Maybe you can wash one sheet at a time, or maybe 4 or 5 t-shirts, but on board the laundry is an issue. Sometimes you don't find a automatic laundry, so it's pretty great. Of course, I have to wait Max to understand how it works, because everything is written in Chinese, and of course I don't know English. Imagine Chinese. Yeah, better to wait Max for that.
So that's done. So now the work that we still have to do is to actually connect it, because now it's there. But now I have to reroute a 220 cable from the other bathroom to this one, and then I have to connect the water and the discharge water, and that's all. I know that the electrical part is not an issue, but I have no idea how to do the water. So I bought a bunch of different connectors and adapters and stuff like that, but I really don't know if any of those are gonna work.
After that, you have to show me to read the Chinese.
Well, that's the thing, right? We could buy the I think it was a Daewoo Mini, but it was like $2,000, or you can buy the Chinese knockout for 300 euros. So of course the Genovese bought the 300 Chinese knockout and knockoff. I think it's knockoff. Anyhow, so I think you just click on and then play, and that's what I'm gonna go with. I have no idea. Maybe we need. You know what we can do? We can actually Google Translate and attach stickers there that tell us what the hell is going on.
Right now we are changing the chain of the anchor with a new one. No,
We are not changing it. We are adding 50 meters more. So we will have a final amount of 100 meters for chain, plus that is essentially 300 feet for our American friends. And we are going to have 100 meters of chain plus 100 meters of rope at the end. So a total scope available of 200 meters, roughly 600 feet. So that's what we're doing. But it's a lot. This is 250 kilograms, so I will not drag that from there to there. So I have to. I don't even know if they can hear me from there. But anyhow, what I'm gonna put all of this on the dinghy. Use the dinghy, go in front of the boat, and then just pull it up with the windlass, and that's the plan. Trying to keep it dry. Let's do this with the brains. We can get this one through here, do a bowie right there. Okay, and now I can take this like that and go. You see? That's how you do it. I don't know. I think that chain is bigger than this. I think that's the wrong chain.
No.
Yeah. I'm positive that's the wrong chain. Yes. Looks bigger. Well, no, it fits. No, it's okay. No, it's okay. It's definitely okay.
Ciao Vlad. Ciao amore.
So I have to remove, as you saw in the video, I had to remove part of the wall here, and part of the wall was like this because it couldn't fit, but now it fits perfectly. It's connected, water is in there, so I'm gonna try this without the blunt. So ideally what we want is a dirty cloth like this, and I'm gonna put them inside here. We need some soap, detergent. Let's get this. I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit of this right there. Not too much, not too much, not too much. Because I bought the cheap knockoff Chinese knockoff. It's all in Chinese, but I think it's this one, that one there, and then like that. I hear it close. I think we should hear water pouring into it. I can hear the pump. It should use only 15 liters of water for a full machine, which, by the way, this is not a full machine what I'm doing. So, but I still don't know. I need to read this with Google Translate and decide which one is like half, but it's working. It's going around. So let's see what's the energy consumption of this thing, because it's not only the water that concerns me, but also the energies. So right now, by the way, we are not connected to the short line, and 100 watts. It's 100 watts. Keep in mind that that also includes Starlink, so it's not consuming that much actually. It's pretty good as a consumption.